I hate when you walk outside and someone randomly throws a fridge at you. Me too. Cow, did you hear that? I feel like being a bird. Quack! Quack! Have you seen the Cases video? It's really, really funny. It's called something about a surprise, and she is funny. We're gonna watch it. Good. Okay. Okay, bye. Let's sing the song. I'm a cow. Moo! I can only imagine how that's gonna sound. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Did you know that yesterday I went outside and someone threw a fridge at me? It was so great. I hate when you like have to get children. I can make my life complete. Is that sound too orcish? I wish I could speak well. F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. And it is for anywhere and anytime at all down here in the deep blue sea. Dude, you're blowing on me. Okay, what are we gonna be now?